What's up guys, I want to show you how you can have multiple showcases on Steam. Now first thing I want you to do is go to your profile. Now if you take a look at my profile, I've got the one showcase here, the Steam Replay 2023. Now if you want to add more, first thing you should do is click on edit profile. Then you'll see it says featured showcase over here. Give that a click. Now this is the one showcase that I've only got on my account, so I can choose. I've got one slot, so I can put any showcase here into this one slot. But if you want to have more showcases to appear on your profile, or like let's say more slots, you would need to upgrade it at the Steam's point shop. Now you can just click this button over here. This will take you to the Steam point shop. And to find the showcases, it's under profile right at the bottom over here. Click on showcases. Now this is where you can buy more showcases for your Steam account. This lets you have more things to show off in your Steam profile. For example, you can buy the rarest achievement. This will show alongside this will upgrade your current ones that you have, and then if you look down here at the bottom, it says additional showcases, because sometimes leveling up a showcase isn't enough. Get an additional showcase with Steam points. So just keep this in mind, that the first one levels up the showcases that you are allowed to have. So basically it's like, it'll, instead of showing the rarest achievement, it'll show like 2 rare achievements or something like that. But if you want to buy additional, make sure you scroll down to the bottom section to select additional showcases, and this is where you would like to buy if you want to have more than one showcase. Like on my account, you saw I only had the one, so now I could buy the item showcase. It'll show this one alongside my other one, and you can just continuously, you could buy all of these and just have a long ass list of showcases, you know, like the completion. If you buy all of these, it would be you would be able to show them all on your Steam profile at once. People would have to scroll down for quite a long time, but they'll be able to see everything. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please hit the like button. Thanks.